Welcome to Cure Naturals Hub. Your natural wellness journey starts here. Cure Naturals Hub is your trusted guide to nature-powered wellness, where nature's wisdom meets modern health. If you believe in healing through herbs, nourishing with superfoods, and living toxin-free, you are at home. What if nature already holds all the remedies you need? No laboratories, no synthetic chemicals, just pure, earth-grown healing. At Cure Naturals Hub, we unlock these secrets for you. Tired of quick fixes that never last? Our science-backed approach combines ancient herbal wisdom, modern nutritional research, real-world results. Start your natural wellness journey with us. Every video helps you to, number 1, heal, herbs for hormones, immunity, and detox. Number 2, nourish, superfoods that work like medicine. Number 3, transform, DIY beauty and home solutions. Number 4, shop smart, no-nonsense product reviews. Science-backed remedies. We bridge ancient plant wisdom and modern science to help you. Health and wellness nourish your body and mind. Because true health is not just about what you eat, it's about how you live. Superfoods and natural nutrition. Boost immunity with proven superfoods. Nature's superfoods like berries, citrus, and leafy greens are rich in antioxidants and vitamins, strengthening your immune response naturally. No synthetic supplements needed. Heal organs naturally. Support your heart, liver, and kidneys with gentle, plant-based remedies that detoxify and rejuvenate without harsh side effects. Balance hormones through adaptogenic herbs. These powerful plants help your body manage stress and maintain hormonal balance, promoting energy, mood stability, and overall wellness. Holistic healing, because true health is more than physical. Mindful practices for mental clarity. Daily meditation and breathwork rewire your brain, reduce mental fog, improve focus, and enhance emotional balance without synthetic nootropics. Stress-reducing Ayurvedic rituals. Ancient techniques like oil massage, tongue scraping, and circadian routines help your nervous system release tension naturally. Toxin-free home and lifestyle. From chemical-free cleaning solutions to organic textiles, discover how to create a healing environment that supports your wellness journey. Clean beauty and reviews. True beauty begins with purity. We test organic skincare that outperforms conventional brands, hair care free from hormone disruptors, and DIY recipes so effective, you'll happily ditch expensive routines. Organic skincare that actually works. Plant-powered formulas with clinical-grade botanicals such as aloe, rosehip, and chamomile deliver real results, without synthetic additives or greenwashing. Non-toxic hair care without hidden chemicals. From shampoo bars to herbal rinses, discover products that cleanse and nourish without sulfates, silicones, or endocrine disruptors. Affordable DIY swaps anyone can make. Simple recipes like honey masks and flaxseed gel that outperform expensive salon treatments. Reconnect with nature. For generations, the earth has provided true remedies. Now, it's your turn to claim them. This isn't just wellness, it's awakening your body's forgotten wisdom. No more symptom treating. No more artificial solutions. Only nature and science united in purpose. Your healing begins when you choose to begin. Join us at Cure Naturals Hub, where ancient roots meet modern research. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and tap the bell icon so our latest videos reach you first. Don't forget to like, share, and comment. We would love to hear from you.